Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about one simple but extremely powerful trick which you can use while targeting. So now we get a lot of ads on Facebook and everywhere. So primarily this trick is useful for Facebook. So you get a lot of Facebook ads and these ads are run by expert. Now sometimes you must be wondering that how exactly are they targeting us and what kind of targeting do they do, and this is a very simple trick, but most of the people why we don't know don't make the most use of it, and we are going to tell you how you can make the most of this simple trick. So directly we'll jump onto my desktop. Now understand that this is a very powerful trick. We personally ourselves use this trick, and after using this trick you would be able to do targeting more effectively. You will understand how exactly you can start running Facebook ads. So even if you are a beginner or someone who has already done with Facebook ads, this is definitely going to help you. See you on my desktop. So here we are in my Facebook news feed. Now we'll talk about this simple trick which you can use to get all the targetings. Now it is very simple. Now this is one of the advertisement from Tai Lopez. Now here is these three dots. Click on these three dots and click on why am I seeing this ad. Now this is a very simple and very basic options, and I don't know why majority of people don't make use of this option, because it helps us to understand the thinking about these people, like these big marketers who target us and make millions in revenue. So let us see now why we are seeing his ad, because he thinks that Facebook is interested in people like Tony Robbins, Gary Vaynerchuk and more. So here it is showing that Tai Lopez is trying to reach people who are interested in these public figures. Now he wants to reach people interested in Tony Robbins, Gary Vaynerchuk, Grant Cardone, Robert Kiyosaki, Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill. So basically he is trying to reach out people who are interested in digital marketing, because he has mentioned Gary Vaynerchuk, who are interested in marketing because it's Grant Cardone, and who are also interested in self-help things because it's Tony Robbins and Think and Grow Rich. So these are self-help books, self-help things. So he wants to target an audience who are already interested in marketing and also they are interested in self-help things. So this is his style of targeting, and this is the second one is the very general one, like he is trying to reach people who are age 13 and older. So this is very powerful, very simple, and you can learn out of it. Now how can we learn from this? Now if you notice this, he is trying to reach people who are interested in many of these public figures. So not only Gary Vaynerchuk, not only, so he's not mentioned only one single marketeer. He has mentioned Gary Vaynerchuk, who is the biggest name in digital marketing and content creation thing. He also has Grant Cardone and Robert Kiyosaki. Now these people, these are those kind of people who believe that you can earn more out of normal education, like they don't believe in formal education. So now that's a very different concept. We will not go into why, as in he has used this targeting and all these options. So this is the first option. Now let us go on to our second advertisement. So here is our second advertisement. Now it is from Peng Zhu. Now he is one such person in digital marketing industry. Now he has his own courses, he has his books. So he is also another name in digital marketing industry. Now we have purchased courses from most of these people. As we told you that we have done a lot of courses, we have done a lot of tutorials, we have seen a lot of videos. So we have purchased one of his products in order to analyze his funnel. Actually we purchased that product. So let us see now why we are seeing his ad. Let us again click on these three dots. Why am I seeing this ad? So now he wants to reach people who may be similar to their customers. So now from here we get that we are in his lookalike audience. So he must have uploaded his own audience and he wants people like his own audience. So let us click. So now it is now, so we are in the lookalike audience of his targeting. So one is that reason. The second is he wants to target people in English and speak English, and it's age audience. Now these two things are very general one, but this is important. So we are in the lookalike audience of him. Now that makes sense because we are in this industry, so we are onto this products and all these things. So again understand that this is also very powerful. Now whenever you analyze this ad, now make a general assumption whether or not you will buy this kind of products or no. If you are getting this advertisement, if you are targeted in this way, think that whether you will purchase or not. And if the answer is yes, then if you can purchase, then other people will also definitely purchase. So analyze these things and design your campaign or design your targeting accordingly. Now let us see another advertisement. So here is our third advertisement. It is from John Loomer Digital. Now John Loomer is another name in marketing industry, so makes sense, all advertisement to us will be from digital marketing and all these industries. Now let us see why we are seeing this ad. So let us see, why am I seeing this ad? It is saying that John Loomer indicated that you may have visited johnloomer.com. Okay, so now using Facebook Pixel, he is retargeting us. So I remember that some days ago visited this John Loomer website, so he had his courses, so we wanted to check out like what kind of things is he offering. So here it is retargeting one. Now again see that this is very powerful. So within 3 advertisement we got 3 tactics of targeting. The first one is like we saw that Tai Lopez, he targeted majority of the people, so he did not target only one particular person, he targeted 2-3 people. The second is of Pengju. Now it is he prepared his lookalike audience, and the third is John Loomer. Now he's running a retargeting campaign, so he has collected data from Facebook Pixel and he is showing advertisements again. Using this single and simple technique, you can analyze all different ads and you can see why you are seeing these ads. You can run these tactics while running your own ads, and you can start running your campaigns accordingly. Now we are going to analyze and run campaigns accordingly. So we have analyzed different advertisements and we have found out our target audience, and now we are going to run ads. So once you run these ads, we'll share you the results with you. So that is pretty much it from this video. We hope that you learned something new. See you in the next one.